What's up, amigos? Welcome to the Ink Builder. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this super easy do-yourself squeegee holder. So don't go anywhere. So amigos, when I first started I only had a few squeegees, but I knew that later on I would end up getting more squeegees. Well, I need somewhere to place them, right? And I had this idea of making my own squeegee holder, but I never got the chance to do it. But I finally got, my own electric drill and my own tools. So I finally decided to build one because literally I have no place to put my squeegees. Because thanks to Fernando who bought me last time the 4-pack and the two aluminum squeegees. Well, I don't want to have them laying around. So I finally decided to do this super cheap do-yourself squeegee holder using some scrap wood, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. And it's not done, and I'll explain to you guys why I didn't finish it, but let's go to how I end up doing this. So this I'm gonna do my little squeegee holder. I'm gonna use this piece of wood that I actually got from when my mom she bought a refrigerator. This came underneath it. I saved it because I knew that one day it might come handy, so this will be perfect. I'm going to use this right here. I'm going to drill some holes, and those holes I'm going to add this right here. I actually bought this from here they call it papeleria, where it's really where they sell school supplies. They sell this because kids they put a flag here, but this is perfect. Only costs 2 pesos for this right here. Pretty cheap. So I'm gonna cut it up and I'm gonna glue them here. I'm gonna glue them supposedly because this glue right here is like 2 years old. I actually bought this when I first made my one color press out of wood, and actually the cap's sealed, so I might have to cut it open. Hopefully it still works. And also I'm gonna use these. I don't know exactly what they're called, but I'm going to use this so I can actually screw it onto the concrete wall. Pretty cheap, 5 pesos right here for this. And luckily this wood right here already has some holes on it, so it's going to save me some time. So I got my squeegees here, so I could kind of like get an estimate of the measurements for the distance for each one of these little stands. And luckily I was going to buy this tool. I actually bought this with this right here. Bought it off Amazon. Hold on, let me get this angle. It's horrible. So like I was mentioning, I actually bought this from Amazon like a while back, and I knew it was going to come in handy one day. I actually bought this. It was pretty cheap. It was like, I think like $13 imported. And it came with this piece of right here, this tool as well. I don't know exactly the name of it, but it's going to come in handy right now. So right now I'm just going to measure my little, we're going to drill the holes. Let's see, these two should be right here. Okay, so I already made the markings, but before I actually drill the holes and add the little sticks to it, I'm actually going to pre-drill the hole to the concrete. Forgot to measure exactly how much deep I have to go into drilling this thing. Okay, so almost messed up. I was drilling the first hole and I realized it was really hard to go through. And I just realized that it's probably because right here is the, how do you say, like the foundation of the building. So yeah, so I'm gonna lower a bit, lower just like about an inch. So I'm gonna actually risk, you know, damaging it up here. Oh, what did I miss?
Tío, ¿hasta cuándo está eso?
First one. I don't have a hammer. So now I'm gonna measure just the length I need for these sticks. So include the wood. Yeah, that's like inches. Okay, so I got done cutting the little pieces. I'm gonna have for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squeegees right now, and I think I need how many for that piece of wood? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I need 16 pairs of these and I only have 6. I should have bought more of these sticks, but I didn't. But that's okay. So right now I'm gonna put for these 6. Another day I'm gonna buy more of these. Probably tomorrow. Drill the rest of the holes and finish it. But in the meantime, I'll stick with these ones. So now it's time to do the holes and glue this together. So before I actually drill, I'm gonna make sure I don't go past this here. I'll get back to you guys when I actually done doing this. Okay. Oh, I can't see my face. So, finally done. Drill the holes. Some of them actually went past the hole, the wood, but that's okay. So now it's time to actually glue the little sticks to here and drill to the wall. Oh, it already fits in here. Okay, so a change of plans. I was going to glue it together, but unfortunately, I realized that this piece of wood is still bigger than the actual drill. The drill hole that I made, and I don't have a larger drill bit, so I'm just going to hammer it in there. Well, I'm going to do this outside because it's really loud in here. I'll be back when I'm done with this. Okay, so I'm done. And again, I didn't buy enough wood of these little pieces of, I don't know what they're called. So I was going to go halfway. But that's okay because anyways, but like I mentioned, I'm going to buy another drill bit, just a little bit larger than the one I have right now. That way I can make these holes larger. That way these could fit in there like nicely, and I'll glue them on there. Cause since I'm gonna put this right now on the wall, I don't want to be hammering. But yeah, so right now only 6 squeegees are gonna fit in here, but that's okay. So now let's go and screw this onto the wall. Screw you. That was old school way. Really? Oh, man. Yeah, those screws suck, man. Can't even do it with a simple screwdriver. Horrible screw, man. I think we're good. So, bring my squeegees. Yeah. Even though it's kind of unsafe, but. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. Okay. So, what do you guys think? Not bad, right? This one came out a little bit crooked, but hey, no worries. Still need to put these other ones on, and I'll be able to hold how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 if I put up here. So 10 plus these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 squeegees. Not bad. So amigos, I'm finally done. Well, actually halfway, because again, I didn't buy enough of those little wood sticks. But that's okay, you know, halfway there. Probably tomorrow I'll buy more of those sticks and actually complete it. That way I can actually hold most of my squeegees there. Then if I do end up getting more squeegees, I might make another one. So yeah. So I do need to end actually buy more tools for myself so I can make more do-yourself projects a lot easier. Right now I struggle because the drill bit I had, it was just a little bit smaller than the actual, those little wood sticks that I use. But that's okay. I was able to hammer it in there, and as you can tell, no problems. Anyways, those squeegees don't weigh a lot. And for this video, I wanted to thank Fernando again for the squeegees that he got me, and also to Soda, who helped me out a while back with PayPal. With that, I was able to buy my electric drill. That way I don't have to ask my boss for, because I don't like borrowing stuff, because I don't want to like damage it. Like if it's my own tools, if I end up like breaking something, that's okay. It's my own. But if it's somebody else, yeah, so I don't want to deal with that. So luckily I was able to buy my own drill, make this a lot easier. And later on I'm going to try to do more do-yourself projects, because again, to buy actual, you know, screen printing related things, it's kind of expensive. I wanted to buy a squeegee holder, but man, they're real expensive. And with this right here, this cost me literally, for those small sticks I use right now, 8 pesos for those little things, because each one of those costs 2 pesos. So buy 2 more, that's like what, like 8-10 pesos of those little wood sticks. That wood, it was a piece of scrap wood, so you could say that didn't cost me anything. These little screws things, this right here, 5 pesos, so super cheap compared to actually buying an actual screen, than actually buying a squeegee holder. So I'm happy I finally was able to do this. And sometimes, again, you gotta build your own stuff. It's not that hard. I mean, for example, for this, it's not necessary to have like a badass squeegee holder, but if you want, you can do it. But why, we can build it yourself. So yeah. Again, I need to write things down, because I literally feel like I'm just mumbling around. But anyways, what else? Oh yeah. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to give this a try, if you guys do end up giving this a try, let me know, because I'm really interested if you guys actually do it yourself. Oh, and one more thing. On my, how do you say, the exposure unit I'm going to build the table, I got a few ideas of actually building. At first I was going to use my floodlight that I have right now, but now I'm thinking of actually buying the LED strips, the UV. That way, on the bottom of the table, I have more room to actually store my screens on there. So, most likely, I'm going to end up doing that. But yeah, but again, I gotta stop saying again. Anyways, that video is going to take longer because I want to do when I actually finish the table. I don't want to be doing it in parts, even though it'll be easier for me. But no, I'd rather do it the entire video at once. So you gotta stay tuned for that. And before you go, if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe. And let me tell you, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.